The way to think about what the best relief we can have, or best way to achieve relief for lower back pain, is to thinking about a building that's on fire. See, if a building's on fire, the way you know about it is because your smoke alarm is going off. And that's how you know that there's a pain, because you're feeling the pain. So painkillers or drugs can often be like taking the batteries out of the smoke alarm. You would never do that if your building was on fire. So why are we doing that if we want to achieve the best pain relief? As just like with the building that's on fire, the thing you want to consider is finding the source of the fire, nipping that in the bud, literally stopping that from getting any worse, whilst you're still reducing the flames that are going off. And you want to think about the same thing about how your body works in that way too. So you want to reduce and make yourself body more comfortable. Things like make sure you're avoiding anything that's aggravating your problem initially. So any movements or activities or postures, certainly you want to stop doing that or reduce the activity on that wherever possible. But at the same time, what you want to think about is why has that happened and why has that happened now? See, that's one of the main questions that I always ask my patients or ask myself if I'm going through a case history, to really find exactly the source of the problem. Because why has that problem happened now? And more importantly, why has that person come to see me now for that problem? Because often, sometimes a lot of patients can have these conditions of aches, pains and symptoms for several weeks, months or even years. And so my question is, what's brought them in now? What's stopping them from doing effectively, optimally and pleasurably? And that's making them stop doing them properly, and therefore making sure that they get it corrected correctly as well. I hope you found this useful. Make sure you always find the source of the problem, and therefore you can nip it in the bud. Thanks for listening and watching.